I'm Raunak Asnani and I scored 97.8% in 12th board examination in science stream. I would like to thank my parents and my teachers, without whose support this would not have been possible. The dedicated faculty of my school left no stone unturned to prepare me well for the examination. My teachers have been instrumental in my success. I would also like to thank the management of the school and Principal Ma'am, Miss Manju Rana, who has been a guiding force behind the perfect functioning of the school in every way. My school succeeds in combining academic excellence with an outstanding range of opportunities beyond the classroom, and thus provides an atmosphere to its students which is conducive to learning. In true sense, my school has empowered me with knowledge and life skills, enthused me to put in my best efforts so that I could excel not only in board examinations but also in my future endeavors. Thank you.